Nanayo.
Oh, sige, ubusin mo. Yummy ba?
You're wrong, but sweet.
Oh,
I know what everyone everyone, the whole colony. Nobody really believes I can do this job. It's like they're all watching me. Just Flick, I owe you an apology. For what? Well, I haven't been that nice to you, and I'm sorry. If there's any way I can make it up to you.
Ayaw mo na, nakailan ka. Count mo nga kung ilan nakain mo. Ilan? 4. 4 ba? 4 slices? Yes. Count mo?
1, 2, 4.
Wow.
Di na tayo pupunta.
Saan?
Sa mall.
Bakit?
Kasi wating tatay yan.
Pagdating na ni tatay. Oo, wag mong dilaan. Ano ba pinapanood mo? Ha? Bugs Life.
Nanay. Ano?
Eh? Ba't nandyan niya? Tanggalin mo yung tissue. Hey, tanggalin mo yung tissue, Yuen. Tanggalin mo yung tissue.